Okay, so we've just about fully unboxed the Axis Industries Defender R2.8 kit with the JK 6-speed manual transmission. But I want to show you how well they packaged this setup. Everything is packaged, boxed. Almost all the boxes have nice labels on them saying what they're for. Engine mounts, oil filters, fuel filter kit, engine ECU. There's an air box down there. It's all really nice and packaged. Amazing they fit it all in this one crate. Down here in this large box, this is our radiator and intercooler package. I haven't opened it up yet because I'm a little paranoid about touching things before we're quite ready. But Axis does an incredible job laying this all out for us. We are stoked to get this project going. And this is going to make this Defender just absolutely badass. I am upgrading this with the their AC compressor setup and the Ministry of Defender AC heater box and a bunch of other little updates, metal dash components, ARB suspension. It's going to be a one-trick Defender, and the nice thing is the engine matches my body color, so hoorah, I don't even have to worry about paint to match, it's already done. Say hi, Andy.